PG
Konti na lang. Kailangan na lang mawala ni Kuya Mark. Isa lang naman ang gusto kong mangyari. Ang makasama ko si Ate.
Hindi ko aabandonahin ang pamilya ko.
Walang kwentang kinayang kasama mo! Tao mo ba ng ina?
Ako sa dugo. Ngayong Martes, mga babaeng palaban at walang inuurungan sa aktingan at buhay. Pinky Amador at Ashley Ortega. Abangan sa Fast Talk with Boy Abunda.
Uy, Seth!
May matidiskubre si Lynn.
Uy, Lynn!
Hindi ba parang familiar ang apelido niya? Anak siya ni Ma'am Kay? OMG!
The Sweetest Taboo. Lunes hanggang Viernes, 5:10 p.m. Mark your calendars on March 29 for Kapuso Ball Show. Get ready at 4 p.m. at Activity Center, Ayala Mall, Central Block, Cebu City. Sofia Pablo, Shubi Estrada, Alan Ansar, and Anthony Constantino. Bring your family and friends, Kapuso.
New Joy Free Extra Cleaning Power. Tamang isang buhos ng brand X liquid. New Joy Free Extra Cleaning Power. 45 pesos lang.
Stewardessa, biktima ng manchang nanuot.
Isang linggo na to. Hindi kaya ng sabon ko. Basahan na to.
Wait! Kaya ng Ayaw! 10X Power Clean. Mas tanggal ang nanuot. Imposible man siya o sige sa Ayaw. Nido Jr.
For toddlers 1-year-old, 2 years old, and up to 3 years old with probiotics and DHA. Nido Jr. Also available in big pack. The use of milk supplements must only be upon the advice of a health professional. The unnecessary and improper use of this product may be dangerous to your child's health.
Sa sobrang sarap ng black coffee na 100% puro at natural. Wow, parang sumasarap na lahat. Nescafe Classic.
Sarap, di ba?
Ang pinakamasarap ng black coffee. Pure Foods Lunch and Meat.
Pure Foods Lunch and Meat. Now in a square can. Deliciously meaty and juicy with flavors that hit right. Pure Foods Lunch and Meat. Deliciousness squared.
My mom is my mom, but she's always my buddy.
Minsan lang sila bata. Sulitin mo na. Chucky, try our new flavors.
Ini-extrahan! Parang mag-savor sulit mo sa meals with extra rice, extra sulit sa 99. Bear Brand price off. 300 grams, 100 pesos SRP na lang. Bear Brand 840 grams, 279.50 pesos SRP na lang. Bear Brand 1.21 kilograms, 405 pesos SRP na lang. Bear Brand price off. Tibay on.
Oh, napagod sa school?
Oh! Tang-tang-tanghalian na. May sunikot na snack. Sisig pa sa sustansya. May sinagay ng tanghalian with Ted.
How did I end up here? Head and Shoulders. So I chose Head and Shoulders in the morning, and because I was dandruff-free, wore black to a party. And while everyone had dandruff, I didn't. That caught a fashion icon's eye, who made me her muse. And then my gorgeous hair made it to thousands of covers. Oi, maybe.
But with Head & Shoulders, my chance. Its best ever formula keeps you up to 100% dandruff-free. Make every day a Head & Shoulders day.
After may saya, gusto sa dami ng labada? Noon yun! Dahil sa bagong Race Power Liquid.
May power ko sa technology, kaya mas maraming malalaphan. Bagong Wings Power Liquid.